Hello guys, and here I'm on the new place, new home. Behind me is my new home. This is a better part, here is a worse part. I have to warm in the house. Behind me are two sheds here, and there's the doors are open. Those are two sheds. This one behind me will be take apart and I will build a new one, and this one will be a temporary workshop for me, but at first I have to clean it up because there is a lot of stuff. It looks like that, so it's not so beautiful. My whole stuff is here, not whole, bigger part. I have to clean it up, and I hope so I will do it today, and we will see what we can do with it today. As you see, I'm not shaved. So let's start taking off the whole stuff on the outside and start cleaning the workshop, future workshop, for a few months, maybe year, and then we will see, because on this place, this is the roof. You see the roof here is the roof. It's not straight, so I have to take apart and build a new one, but it's not bad. Okay, let's start cleaning up, and I will back to show what to do, what I have done today. Okay, take care. Okay guys, I'm back, and the shed is almost clean. As you see, the light is standing on the place. It's for now the place. This is the shed, and this is the whole garbage. Maybe not the garbage. Garbages are in the 3 bags. The rest is stuff which I will need. Some pipes from the toilets and showers. I don't know how it's English. Some stones to the backyard. So I will have another work on the summer, on the spring. Okay, I have shelves here, so I will pack some stuff here, and a big yard to cook some soup. Okay, here I have a place, nice place. I don't know, will you see? There is a concrete, leveled concrete, so the light in future will be standing here. But at first I have to check the roof, because I have the 2 leaks, some here, because the water is falling down from the roof. So I have made some work today. I will unpack few boxes and to the shelves to reduce my stuff in boxes and make some place. I will insert maybe table saw and some stuff and cover this with a foil, in case when the roof will not hold the water. I have to check it, but I'm waiting for warmer days to make it. Okay, let's put the stuff here, then I will back to you all and we will see how it looks. Okay, and everything is again in the workshop, in the shed. I have put in the shelves as much as I could to not break it, to not falling down the shelves. Here I have gouges and some necessary stuff for wood turning, and my stuff is here. I can walk here, so it's not bad. I'm waiting, maybe next Saturday I will bring the shelves and the tables here, and I will try to set them inside here. It will be a miracle if I will do it. And of course I have my wood, but I think the wood will be on the another shed. it's much better, it's dried, so for wood will be better place. And as I said, I have to repair the roof, remove the leaks, and everything will be okay then. Okay, it's enough for now, I think. Thank you for watching, thank you for your time. I know it's not something special, but maybe somebody of you will like it and will want to observe, to watch how I'm installing in the sheds. So it's not bad for now. When I will remove this whole stuff, I will be able to set up another table here. Okay, it's enough for now. If I will have any good news for you, you can expect another video with it, and I think it will be next week. So take care, stay healthy, stay warm, especially because it's winter, but I'm in the blouse for now, so it's not too bad. Okay, see you later, alligator.